How's it going, everyone? Welcome to day 2 of EasyHacks. I hope you are all easy hacking. So today I'll be doing a demo of using Perplexity to solve all your problems, okay? And Perplexity is one of our biggest partners. I hope you support them. Okay, you get Perplexity Pro for free, which has like pretty much all the AI. I'm gonna do a demo of it on how to get your advantage for using the hackathon, and it's Perplexity Pro. So obviously it's 10 out of 10. So I wanted to show you a few things, okay? There's normal, when you click the link, you go to this website. Oh, shoot, okay. You can see, because I already unlocked it. I want to show you guys this. Okay, you go into this website, and you should be able to see something like this, right? You have to redeem your pro, which is going to be $0. You just need to make an account. Ideally, do it with your school account. So school email. So use your school email, but yeah, it doesn't really matter, or school email or just personal email. I don't know. Just make an account, then start your plan for $0, right? I'm pretty sure you don't need to put a credit card in. And yeah, once you're in, it should look something like this, where it says Perplexity Pro right here. It should say Pro at the corner. Oh, there's the corner there. And you should have access to all these different models, reasoning models, all these different stuff like that, okay? And I wanted to show you a few things. First, API usage, okay? With your Pro, you have pretty much a lot of API usage, so you could use it on your tool app or whatever you're building, web app. And this is how to call your API. This is how to find your API, so it's in your account stuff. And you just plug that in and the model you want. So all of the models available are pretty much available. So really good, really good. These are all the models right now. These are their models. Yeah, high, and the context is very high, so it's really good. And even with the Pro itself, you could make use of all of that. And you could, this is like more of a docs on how to get structured outputs and prompting guide for just Sonar itself. And yeah, Sonar is a really good model, but I use the other ones. But another one, okay, next thing you gotta see, there's this thing called the playground. You could test all the different models and their reasoning stuff and check different outputs. So labs.perplexity.ai. Then I wanted to showcase the using Perplexity for the hackathon, okay? So let's say you have an idea, right? And you're in the research phase, and you're trying to do research based on the idea itself, okay? You could do, okay, something like research. I would probably do is reasoning or deep search research. Up to you. Then you could pick, is it just academical or is it outside of stuff? I would do it, let's try, you could run multiple models. You could do it academics. Okay, here's like a basic medical services idea. Let's see what it comes up with. It's gonna take a bit actually. We'll run another model that does the same thing for reasoning. I use R1. I don't know why OpenAI's O3 doesn't work very good here. Anthropic is also really good, but if it's ideal for reasoning in programming, so coding and things like that. R1 is like surprisingly really good. So check this out. This isn't the reasoning, the project ideation idea. Is it a good idea to create like a smart wearable for health monitoring sort of thing? Then we're gonna do validation, okay? Validation is an important part of building your MVP. I'm gonna open up another one. I don't know how many you could run at the same time, but if you take a look at this as well, it has direct access to like NIH reports or these healthcare reports, and a lot of that, it does much better than, from what I've seen, like OpenAI research or OpenAI search. So because it's been doing search for a very, very long time, right? So that's been really good. So, okay, ideation. So reasoning. This is the core system, how the core architecture of building something like this. Smart wearable, implementation, how machine learning models, there's so many of these cases, sleep data sets. It just links to sleep data sets, which is really good. So you could train your ML model on it. Then technical advantages, 60 factor optimization, just like a full product offering sort of thing, right? Then let's try the market analysis, competitor analysis, a lot of existing things in the healthcare industry. This is more going to be very good for comprehensive research on the idea itself. This is always R1. I like it more for implementation sort of stuff, and that's exactly what it's been doing. Cardiac rhythm patterns, sleep quality metrics, stress levels. It's able to link to all of the different things. So if you click here, it goes to all the where it got its data from, the utility of how it's more useful. And it's a massive advantage from like searching up, like trying to validate your problem. If this is a problem, how smartwatches or smart wearables really help people. And okay, that's validation right there. 1,500, 1,600 people use this to solve this problem, so it's really good. Okay, this is market analysis. Over the past like few years, the CAGR, okay, it's CAGR, I have no clue, I forgot. Is expected to go from 2025 to 2030, reach over $42 billion in 2024. Raise in chronic diseases, diabetes and things like that. Increase the whole adaptation thing. Generative AI is making a difference. Main competitors, Samsung, Apple, Garmin, Aura, yes. I wanted to make a fake Aura ring. Health system integration, how these, just like a market analysis of it. This thing is very comprehensive. It's like how OpenAI's like deep research works, but then it's like $200. This is free, but then it's not as good. Yeah, obviously. Okay, now let's wait for the final one. And one final demo of the implementation phase. Let's try implementation. I'm gonna pause it right here. Hey, that took like a few minutes, but we have a really high quality report of a comprehensive report of the market right now. So smart wearables for health monitoring, comprehensive research analysis, current landscape, commercial variable, advanced research prototypes and what people are working on in the research area, the commercial area, sensor technologies that are driving the change, vital sign monitoring, all these ECGs, specialized monitoring capabilities and all that stuff. So it's really good to like get a really good comprehensive overview and the problems itself. I do it a lot for problem seeking, like in terms of like just say, hey, is this a really big problem? People want the problem. And another one that we did was coding. Where's the code? Okay, here. Snippets, Python. It's like a whole pipeline, data processing pipeline done in Python with all the data sets we were talking about earlier. Or AI anomaly detection with AI. Model architecture, just code snippets of how we could integrate it in our own code. And if there's more specific stuff, I would use Sonnet 3.7, 10 out of 10. And these are just some ways to use Perplexity. And you could go all in with all the different ways, but I would advise you have it for free. So why not use Perplexity to your advantage, try it out. So when you click the thing, you got to activate it by like just using it, I think. So let me know if Pro doesn't appear, or like some you have a problem with it, but it's really good. Give it a try. Let me know if it doesn't work. Thank you so much. Have a great day and happy hacking. Easy hacking.